My name is Mark Hutchinson. I'm CEO here at Hutchinson Engineering. We are a second generation family business based just outside Kilrea, and we supply high integrity fabrications to a number of key industries including coach building, materials handling and agriculture. We've had a really long-standing relationship locally with the Northern Regional College. We found that relationship has always worked very well, and we always keep close to them with new programs that are coming on board, etc. And that's how we became involved with this connected program with them and Queen's as well. So in our industry, it's been well documented that there has been a huge shortage of skilled fabricators in particular. This has been a problem for us and many other companies within this industry. So part of the solution to that problem, we feel, is the introduction of robotics, and that's where the knowledge from NRC and Queen's has been key in helping us integrate this UR robot into our fabrication facility.
The collaborative robot has been about now for a few years, and we've tried to promote them within the industry and what they can do in their capabilities. Collaborative robot suppliers look at the option of actually making the collaborative robot weld, which it can do, but it doesn't outweigh what a standard robotic welder can do. So we thought, well, we can put the two together. We knew the companies that was involved in the project, and we knew that they had either invested in robotic welding or they were considering investing in robotic welding, and we knew the difficulties they were having in regards of the amount of programming there was, the amount of setup times, jigs, fixtures, the cost that was involved in that, and we tried to come up with something that we believed was a flexible approach to this.
We've delivered two cobot-assisted welding processes. The first one is based on a manual process with a cobot assisting the manual welder. The cobot presents a part and manipulates the part in front of the manual welder, allowing the welding process to be simplified. The welding torch is static and the part is moved by the collaborative robot. This simplifies the whole process. The second process demonstrates how a collaborative robot can assist an industrial robot by using it as a manipulator presenting parts. These new processes have the potential to transform and significantly enhance the partner company's existing welding processes.
This particular universal robot is very much working alongside our welders and fabricators. There's a number of different benefits from our perspective. We can use lower skilled employees to help fabricate and help them to upskill. And the other benefit is that it can carry out repetitive jobs, which maybe some operators will struggle with.
NRC has been involved with the Connected for a number of years now, and we've had the benefits of each year. But the likes of this project, and the reason why we pushed years ago to have a competitive type funded project, is it gives an opportunity to showcase our skills. It keeps us engaged, it keeps us focused on these projects, and it's good to see a positive outcome that we've made an impact or an influence in with the different companies, and also develops links with the universities. All around it's very positive.
We have found the Connected programme really good. I think that the link between Northern Regional College, Queen's and ourselves has been key to the project being a success, and I would highly recommend it to any companies who are interested.